Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the Big Bang Mascara from Athr Beauty. I love Athr Beauty. They make incredible eyeshadow palettes and I didn't even realize they make a mascara, but I have high hopes for this because I love this brand so much. I actually got this in my March 2022 Boxycharm premium box. And so if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel. And so this mascara retails for $28. Athr Beauty is not a cheap brand, but they just put such great quality into their products and into their packaging. So I love that this is made with 100% recycled ocean plastic and a biodegradable wand. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, and this brand just really cares about the environment and not making a negative impact. It's using organic and fair trade ingredients where they can. Plus, it just sounds like everything I look for in a mascara, which I am picky, but this is supposed to lengthen, give volume, curl, and definition. And what sounds really cool is that it has black diamond powder, I think, yeah, to give shine and a glossy look to the mascara, which sounds really, really cool. It also has nourishing ingredients to help strengthen the lashes, prevent breakage. So let's check it out. It is so pretty. It has this like pearl finish to it. Wow, I was not expecting that. That is beautiful. Now let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, this is kind of unique, but I like it. It's like a cone shape and it's also at a slight angle, but it's like spiky bristles that are kind of long, which also seems very promising. I am so excited to start applying this, so let's see what it does. Oh. The wand is gripping the lashes really well. No clumping going on. And the lashes are definitely getting nicely coated root to tip and staying separated. And I feel like I can easily reach every lash. Like, wow, I'm already seeing lengthening and lifting and good volume. Wow. For just that first initial application, it is already looking really good and promising. I'm excited to see how that's going to build up, but also I'm excited to see how this is on the lower lashes because I am loving this wand. It might be a little bit big for the lower lashes, like I'm definitely getting some mascara on my under eye, but I like how it looks on the lower lashes. It's definitely lengthening for them. And the wand holds so much product, I really don't even feel like I need to dip it back in, but to layer it up for the fun of it, let's just pick up some more product and see how it does. And I'm so happy to see that this is actually curling because my lashes are so straight and I want them to have more curl, but I find that they rarely can curl with mascara, but this is actually giving good curl, and I didn't even use a lash curler. And I believe this is a fiber mascara, so I feel like as I'm layering it up, I'm starting to see that kind of fuzzy look to the lashes, and they are starting to stick together a little bit, so I think I'm only really going to be able to layer it up this much before it starts to look too clumpy and stick together. But this is pretty good. The curling is my favorite thing that I'm noticing, but it has decent volume, definitely lengthening, and the separation, the definition is okay, but the more I apply, the more they're sticking together and staying less separated and defined. So this is nice. I think this would layer really well on top of another mascara. to actually give that length and that curl, but I wish I was able to build up a little bit more volume. But that is nice. You can see what that does for my lashes with it versus without it. So I'll just go ahead and apply it to the other eye, get my final thoughts on this. It's a really good first layer initial mascara if you like more of a natural look, because it definitely darkens all the lashes, it coats them so it's lengthening, and before it starts looking too fuzzy or sticking together, it looks really good. But I just personally love to build up a lot of volume on my lashes and make my lashes look completely unnatural. Basically, I want my lashes to look like I'm wearing false lashes, but most of the time I am way too lazy to put on false lashes, so instead I just sit there and layer my mascara, when realistically it would probably just be easier to throw on some lashes. Okay, mascara is applied, and it's fine. It's not like a mascara that I would repurchase, that I'm like, you need this. For $28, I definitely don't really think it's worth splurging on based off of the way my lashes are looking and the effect that I can get. Like, it's fine. I'm going to be able to continue using this for getting it in Boxycharm, but not my favorite Athr beauty product, not my favorite mascara. I really did not have the best luck with the mascaras that I tried out this month from Ipsy and Boxycharm, but I love trying out mascaras, so for some reason I just can never get tired of them. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this if you've tried it out, but I would also love to hear what your favorite Athr beauty products are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.